We're not in session with Pedro and Dora, the divorce.
Divorce?
Tell me about this. Why are you so angry at him?
I thought this was a hammer.
Oh! Why are you so angry at him? Alright, that's enough. Why do you... Getting emotional.
It's okay.
It's okay. My mom just died. Alright. Okay. Why did I
You didn't ask him anything.
Oh! Why do you... With that?
Oh.
Cuz, look at that.
Ew.
Oh, that's dope. Why is it... I feel you,
That's not no question. Ask him
Shut
why.
up! I'm the judge.
Okay.
Alright. How does it feel getting by that?
I want a divorce.
Are you taking the
That means
kids?
it's small.
We can
Does
have
he have a chode? He has a chode?
She
Like
takes-
David? Like Big Cake David? Hey, his little wiener? Gosh. How do you feel about David's chode?
You think Christina likes it?
Christina. What's Christina?
I'm pretty sure she loves it.
Is that the girl with the big foot?
No, Christina.
Oh, the one with the bad voice.
The one he cheated on with me.
The bad boy.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, he just found something
That was
out.
before we were going out, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sure.
She cheated on you with Big Head David.
No?
How do you feel about that though?
Damn. I want to kick his head.
Damn, I feel you. So why are you getting divorced?
Because he's stupid.
Oh, stupid what?
Bipolar ass bitch.
Oh, bipolar bitch. Shut up. Who's bipolar? Why are you bipolar? Is running your dogs?
What?
From your dogs?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh, you're a pack of wolves. I see. No, she's from...
Is that a hammer or is that a microphone?
It's a multitasker.
Multiple elastic, right?
Multiple elastic. Yeah. So, are you in agree with this divorce? He said no.
No, he didn't say nothing, bitch. I want
No.
this divorce.
Right?
What's that
Oh,
divorce?
bitch, I want this
You
shit.
want the divorce?
Shit.
I want this
Get that shit! Beat him up! Fuck his ass up! Oh hell no! Oh hell no! Get that shit! Oh hell no! Throw him up! Make her throw you up! Oh yeah! Oh! Damn! You got thumbed up, man. Props.
Every night.
Oh! Oh my gosh, they're getting down. They're getting down. Oh damn! Beat that shit! Beat that shit! Give her a wedgie! Wet Willie! Oh hell no! This is UFC status. Oh, he got hit in the webbles. He's down. He's down. 1, 2. Oh shit! She hit her head. Oh my gosh.
Big ass dome.
Her dome is about to fall off. Oh my gosh! Look at his butt. Look at his butt. Ah, she's biting his butt cheek. His butt. Oh shit! Look at him. Oh, hey, bitch, calm down. Get your ass over there. Oh.
I don't want therapy no more.
You don't want therapy? Oh my gosh, time. Get away.
Pussies.
Hey, ho, come down. Look at this, wild beast, tie her down. Where's the rope? Where's the rope? What happened to the Sasquatch? Where'd they go? Oh shit. You alright, Pedro? Tell me about it, how do you feel? How do you feel?
Not good.
Oh my god, how did your
Show
wiener
them the
feel?
mark.
Show them the mark. Where's the butt? Oh, you. Let me see your teeth. Do you have butt stains?
No.
Oh my gosh. What are you gonna do? Are you mad? Oh my gosh.
No.
Stop. Are you mad?
No.
Oh, hey, police! Police! Jerry! Right. How do you watch out? This bitch is gonna come up from over here. Alright. Tell me about this.
I want a divorce, but I don't want a divorce
What's
because
up? I got her.
feels so good. We're in the bed.
Oh my gosh, in the bed?
Yeah, and I might not be able to find another girl.
Oh my god, okay, so no. Why are you gonna divorce this hoe?
Like how much of a little bitch she is. Stop looking at me.
You little hoe, shut the fuck up.
Yeah, you heard that?
Slutty ass up.
Oh hell no! Jerry Springer! Get that nigga! Oh shit! This nigga's getting fucked up! Oh damn! Look at that! Hey Jerry Springer! Security! Oh man!
Little bitch.
That's it.
Oh hell no! You guys are getting too violent, you guys are gonna bleed! Hell no! Oh, we got weapons now. Oh my gosh. I feel like a novella in here.
She's getting a spoon.
Oh my gosh, she's getting a spoon. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh shit, this bitch is wild. Watch out. Where's the rope? Tie her down. Put her in the cage. Take her outside. Alright. So this was a. Oh my gosh, she's getting down again. Holy shit, this nigga doesn't stop. She's like a wild black lady. She's on steroids. Oh my god. Hey, where's the zookeeper? The zookeeper. Holy shit. Man, he's a tiger. He's not going down. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, slap her. Oh my god, he's raping her. Oh my god, teabag. Teabag. Oh my god. She got teabagged. She's getting teabagged. Oh my god, this is so
Stop.
okay. This is a case of Mr. Lopez. Oh my gosh, this bitch is wild. Alright, so I think they're getting divorced. Pedro's getting the pussy still.
I thought you sounded like a bitch, huh?
Hell no, a bitch. Oh, hell no, this is still going on. I called timeout. I said pause. Oh shit. Oh shit, she flies like a black girl. He's hitting Casper. Oh, he's going down. He's going down. Holy shit. He's like a black guy. Oh my god, his dome got hit. Oh shit, he's getting beat.
What the fuck is Felix, huh?
Oh my god, you cheated with Felix the Unibrow? Oh my gosh, why? Why Felix?
Oh!
Oh my god.
Ashley!
Who the hell is Ashley? Ashley, oh my god, you cheated.
That bitch has some huge ass titties. That's a bitch.
Oh my
Big
god.
mustache!
Oh my god, you have a mustache, Laura?
He said Felix.
Oh, you like Felix's mustache? Hold on, you like Felix's
love
mustache?
it, I love
Oh my god, you want to tickle it?
Yeah, I want
Okay.
to tickle his mustache.
Okay, so, alright, okay, continue.
Okay, no more. Alright,
Alright,
we're getting the
alright,
bitch.
they're getting a divorce. She called it off.
No.
She said, can we repeat this?
No.
Repeat this. Hold on, they're about to fuck. Oh my gosh.
No.
They're gonna fuck. Oh my gosh, they're fucking. Holy shit, he popped a boner. Oh my god, where's the condom? Where's the condom? They don't.
Together, right?
Oh my gosh, he slapped her butt. Alright, hold on. Call the divorce off. Say it. Say officially.
Don't record me.
Oh my gosh, don't make fun of her.
She's calling it off.
Oh,
We're having a divorce, bitch.
No, we're not.
holy shit! Holy snikers! He bit that shit. Oh my god, they're both fucking. Oh, damn. She loves it. Oh my gosh, she's going on internet? Oh my, I was going on internet. Never mind. We're done. Bye, guys.